Hey guys, what's going on? It's Kyle with HOGWORKZ. If you have an 18 or newer Softail and you want to go the distance, check out HOGWORKZ Solo and 2-Up Tour Pack mounts. This kit includes all the hardware, mounts and minutes, and adds essential storage for those long hauls. Best of all, HOGWORKZ offers color-matched tour packs to give you a ride that one-of-a-kind look. Today we're going to be installing this chopped tour pack on this 18 Softail Deluxe. Let's go ahead and jump into the install. Let's start by attaching the tour pack mount to the tour pack using the supplied bolts, washers, nuts, and base plate. Insert the base plate on the inside of the tour pack using the supplied bolts, and on the underside, mount the tour pack mount with the supplied washers and nuts. To attach the tour pack, simply slide the mount onto your docking grommets. Make sure you lock the rear docking clips.